Kids want to know what's going on in the world. That's why there's NewsDepth. On this week's show, ICE officers have been deployed to some airports. Hundreds were rescued in Hawaii from flash floods. Higher temps also come with higher numbers of tick bites. And Jeff explains why we get the hiccups. Watch new episodes Fridays at 1 p.m. on WVIZ or online at newsdepth.org.